Hello everyone, my name is Fernando Driko Panjaitan, student number 240305085. Okay, today I'm going to review and analyze an article titled The Correlations Among Critical Thinking Skills, Critical Reading Skills, and Reading Comprehension, written by Hidayati Indrawati and Loeneto in 2020. This research investigates how critical thinking, critical reading, and reading comprehension are connected among English education students at UIN Raden Fatah Palembang. The study used a quantitative correlational method and involved 19 participants. The results show a strong and positive correlation among the three variables. Okay, the key point is that students who think critically and read critically tend to comprehend texts more effectively. Okay, this study is meaningful because it proves that reading comprehension requires not only understanding language but also analyzing and evaluating ideas critically. Okay, from my analysis, I found two implicit assumptions in the article. The first one says that critical thinking skills do not develop naturally and they must be practiced. This implies that all students can improve their critical thinking equally through practice. But that's not always true. Some students have different learning motivation, access, or environments. The second assumption says that teaching critical reading will automatically make students critical thinkers. This is not always the case because students learn and process information differently. By identifying these assumptions, we can see that even research contains hidden beliefs that need to be examined critically. Okay, one powerful strategy that supports critical reading is metacognition, which means thinking about our own thinking. Metacognitive reading includes four stages: planning, monitoring, evaluating, and applying. During planning, we set reading goals and predict what the text is about. While reading, we monitor our understanding. After finishing, we evaluate what we have learned and then apply the ideas in writing or discussion. This strategy helps students become aware of their comprehension process and improves both their reading and thinking skills. Okay, now let me answer the three reflection questions. First, I choose this article because it connects reading, thinking, and comprehension, the core of our critical reading class. Second, the most important thing I learned is that critical reading and critical thinking support each other. The more we think critically, the better we understand what we read. Third, I started to wonder how teachers can improve their skills for students with different learning backgrounds. I also questioned whether digital reading habits influence how deeply students think and comprehend. This question made me realize that critical reading is not only academic skill but also a life skill. Okay, to conclude, the article shows that critical thinking, critical reading, and reading comprehension are strongly connected. Students who read critically tend to think critically and understand text more deeply. The study reminds teachers and learners that reading is not just decoding words, but questioning analyzing, and reflecting on meaning. By applying metacognitive strategies, we can become more aware, independent, and critical readers. Okay, this is my references. Okay, uh, okay, everyone. Thank you for watching and listening to my presentation.